If you are typing in links, disclaimers, and channel information every time you upload a video, I need you to stop because you are working way too hard. Don't you know that YouTube has upload defaults so that every time you upload a video, certain information is automatically added? But if you set it up incorrectly, it can also cause you some problems. So let me walk you through and show you exactly where to find your upload defaults. I'm also going to give you my suggestions on things to fill in, things to leave blank, and things that you'll still have to check with every upload. This is the first video in my YouTube Studio settings series. We are going inside of the YouTube Studio dashboard and we are going to go through all of the settings. And I am not going to cram all of the settings into one long video because I don't want for you to have to watch an entire video to find the setting that you need to fix. Instead, I want for you to be able to go to one specific video, fix the setting, and get back to creating. So in today's video, we're exploring upload defaults. To find your upload defaults, you do need to be inside the desktop version of YouTube Studio. Go down to the bottom left, click Settings, and then select Upload Defaults. Now, before we change anything, there are 3 tabs here: Basic Info, Advanced, and Monetization settings. We're going to go through all of them. Upload defaults only apply when you upload through your web browser. If you upload from your phone, a mobile app, or directly from some video editing programs, these defaults may not automatically appear. So don't assume something is broken if you upload from your phone and you don't see this information. The first box is the title, and I recommend leaving this blank. Every video should have its own title based on that specific topic and the promise that you're making to the viewer in that video. If you put in a permanent title in that box, you're just working harder and not smarter because you're always going to have to remember to delete the title and upload your new title. So just go ahead and leave it blank. The description is where upload defaults can help save you the most time, but you do not want to put your entire video description here because the first few lines of every description should explain what your particular video is about. So here, think about including a link to subscribe to your channel, your business email, links to your other social media accounts, maybe your merchandise website, any affiliate link disclosures, and your Cash App. If you have a standard closing message or a channel description, you can also put that here too. Next is visibility. And this is the one that I want you to think about carefully. You can select public, private, or unlisted as your default. I personally would not recommend setting the default to public. If you accidentally upload the wrong file or forget your thumbnail or you haven't finished your title and description, that video could become public before you're ready for it to. I recommend using private as the safest option. That gives you time to check the processing, copyright checks, monetization, title, thumbnail, description, end screens, and all of the other details before you schedule or publish the video. Now, you could also use unlisted if you regularly need to send a preview link to someone else. Just remember that anyone with an unlisted link can watch it and share it. Private gives you the most protection from an accidental video release. And then the last section under basic is tags. Now, YouTube tells us that tags play a minimal role in video discovery unless the topic or name is commonly misspelled. So this is not where I would dump hundreds of generic keywords and put the same exact tags on every video. Your default tags should only be words that are relevant to almost every video that you publish. That might include your channel name or a common misspelling of your channel name, and possibly your niche. For example, because my channel consistently covers YouTube growth and YouTube Studio, I've included Tiff's Takes, YouTube tips, YouTube Studio, and content creator tips. But as I am creating specific videos, I do add specific tags to go along with those topics. Now, let's move over to advanced settings because this is where several options often get overlooked. Automatic chapters allow YouTube to identify different sections of your video. Now, because I try to always upload chapters to my videos, I generally leave this unchecked. License. For most creators, this should remain on the standard YouTube license. Creative Commons allows other people to reuse your work under the terms of that license. So don't change this unless you understand what permissions you're giving. And I don't understand, so I don't change it. Category. Select the category that fits the majority of your content. My videos teach people how to use YouTube, so education or how-to and style make the most sense depending on my videos. Remember, this is only the default. You can change the category on an individual video whenever necessary. Language and caption certification. Set your default video language to the language you primarily speak in your videos. This helps YouTube understand the original language and properly manage captions. Caption certification is generally asking whether the content previously aired on television in the United States. For most independent YouTube creators, the appropriate section will be that the content has never aired on television in the United States. Comments. Your default comment settings determines how comments are handled on new uploads. You can allow comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, increase the level of moderation, hold all comments, or disable comments. I want conversations on my channel, but I also want some protection from spam and inappropriate comments. So I recommend allowing comments while holding potentially inappropriate comments for review. You still need to check your held for review section because YouTube does not always get it right. Ratings. You may also see the option to show how many viewers liked your video. I leave that enabled because likes are a visible form of engagement and social proof. Turning off the public count does not mean viewers can't like the video. It only hides the number from public view. And this hides that number not only from the public view on your videos, but also your live streams. If you are a monetized content creator, you will also have the monetization tab. And here is where you can check to automatically have mid-roll ads run during your videos. Remember that your videos do need to be a minimum of 8 minutes in length in order for YouTube to run mid-roll ads. Once you have everything the way that you want it, click Save. But I always recommend testing your settings. So I go and act like I'm going to upload a new video, and I just double check to make sure that the description, the tags, and the advanced settings appear exactly the way that I want for them to appear. And remember, these defaults are not permanent rules. You can change any of them on an individual video before you publish it. Upload defaults will not make your videos perform better by themselves, but they can make your upload process much faster, more consistent, and much less stressful. The goal is to automate the information that stays the same without accidentally treating every video like it is the same. This is only the first stop inside of our YouTube Studio settings series. In our next video, we're going to explore community moderation, because I bet you have some moderators you forgot you even had. And I'm going to show you where to find all of the trolls that they've hidden from your channel. My name is Tiff. This is my take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, and most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day.
Whole crew locked in, we